A tongue twister is it's one that I learned when I was a little kid.
Uh-huh.
So it's tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En un trigal, tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo.
Okay. Tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En un trigal, tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo.
Yay! Like that. I mean, if I try to do it fast, I don't think
Hmm.
I could do it.
Yeah, no, I could feel myself having to slow down because the tre.
Yeah, and also because if you see the first tr, it's trigal, tres, tristes. But when I arrive to tigres, I try to do tigres
Yeah.
because the rest of the words are tr, and this is the only one that it's tigres.
Right.
Yeah, so now it's time to understand what it says. So tres is three.
Three.
Tigre, it's a tiger.
Mm-hmm.
And then tragar, to swallow.
Okay.
Triste is sad. Trigo is wheat. And trigal is the wheat field. Yeah. So
Okay.
now we have tres tristes da. Tres tristes
Oh.
tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En un trigal, tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo.
Well, I could see why they're sad. Tigers
Yeah.
don't want to eat wheat.
Y-
They,
You
they
know,
must be sad because they never had anything to eat. Like, where's their real food? I'd be sad too.
you are right. I never thought about that. You are right.
Them. Yeah. Water all around and not a drop to drink. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, really? Yeah, like that. So it's three sad tigers swallowed
Follow wheat in a
wheat
wheat
in a
field.
wheat field. In a wheat field.
Those poor babies.
Yeah, the three sad
Pobrecitos.
tigers swallowed wheat. Oh, yeah, you're right. I never thought about that. Oh, now I am sad.
Oh, just like the tigers.
Let's find the tigers.
Where's their mom?
Yay! So could you try it?
Okay. Tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo en un trigal. En un trigal, tres tristes tigres tragaban trigo.
Perfecto. Sad
I
and
feel for them. I
perfecto.
feel for them. It's so sad.
Yeah. Thank you.